How to create a drop down list in Google Sheet. It's very easy and quick. Want to make your spreadsheet easier and more interactive? Create a drop down list helps you control inputs and keeps your data neat. Let's learn how to build your own custom list in Google Sheet. Select the cell where you want the drop shadow, then tap on the three dot icon, and there you can see data validation. If you tap on it, there you can see cell range and then list of items. Enter the item's name. After entering the items, then simply tap on save. Like this, you can see there is a drop shadow where you can choose the items you want, like if you want not lychee but pineapple, then simply tap on pineapple, and then like this your range or your drop shadow list has been made.